Looks like I have a coyote problem again. That's one less egg a day. Ah well, I'll have to keep my eye open for him and give him a little 6.5 pill. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Sorry about the wind noise. We got about 10-kilometer-an-hour wind here today, but we're doing a head-to-head with Lapua Center X. First up, the stock 457 barrel, and then we'll swap it over and we'll shoot the IBI barrel. Let's see how that turns out. Let's go, guys. So here we are in my backyard on my 50-yard range on a cool, overcast day. The wind's not too bad. It died down. The last few days were like a hurricane, but today it's not. So we put the CZ457 barrel back on, the LRP. We're gonna do a head-to-head with Lapua Center X. We're getting this stuff for $23.99. It seems like the factory barrel likes Lapua and SK more than the IBI, but we're gonna find that out today. So a different format down there. A gentleman commented on an earlier video about how on the Z challenge target, how everyone's groups were repeating, but they're off depending on where they move the rifle. So on this one, I put two of the targets, my ammo test targets, stacked one above the other, taped it together. So all the CZ stock barrel stuff will be on the left and the IBI barrel will be on the right. My 20 fouling shots for the CZ will be on the top target and the 20 foulers for the IBI on the bottom. That's enough talking. I'll show all this data up at the end. We'll compare it and I'll show the targets at the end so we can have a little bit better of a look at how this barrel performs compared to the IBI. So let's get to shooting. First up, brand new clean barrel, both of them, totally spotless. And we're gonna start lighting this target up. So let's do it. Low and right, I'm gonna shoot 5 shots before I adjust. There's our 5 shots. Now come up and we'll push left. 5 more shots. Way too far left. Come back right a bit. Pull 0.3 back on. Last 10 foulers. There's our 10 fouling shots complete, and our 10 previous sighters as well. That's 20 for fouling on a clean bore. First 5-shot group, very top left. One got out of there, but that's a 1-hole group. So that one flyer, that could have been me as well. I am shooting off a bag in the prone. I'm not on a rest or anything, so not too bad. Stock CZ barrel with Center X. Like, can't get much better than that. Group number 2. Once again, one shot came out. Other than that, a 1-hole group. Looking very good, and it's gonna be hard to beat with the IBI, I think. Like I said before, the stock CZ barrels tend to like the SK and Lapua stuff more than the Ely and all that, where the IBI tends to favor the Ely a bit more. Well, this is getting pretty crazy here. Group number 3. Uh-oh. Getting eaten by a mosquito. I think that was me. Yeah, I must have pulled that shot. The mosquito was biting me. Group number 3 opened up. Still looking very, very good. Let's get that done with group number 4. I didn't pull that one. There you go. That is going to be very hard to beat with the IBI, I believe. But let's get it done. Yeah, it's definitely going to be hard to beat these groups with the IBI, but we're going to try our best. So let's do it. Still have the same amount of wind. I don't know. It's going to be pretty hard to beat. I have a feeling this one's going to CZ, but can't speak yet. We've got to do the test and then we'll find out. The pressure is on. Nice barrel here. Will it perform as good as the stalker with the Center X? Same lot, no excuse, same weather, same temperature, same everything. All the torques are the same, just the barrel's different. We gotta foul this barrel in for 20 shots. So we'll do our sighters and foulers, and then we'll do our 4 5-shot groups. Not sure if there's gonna be a point of impact shift with the barrel, but we'll find that out right now too. Yeah, so that's way left and high. The other barrel was low and right, so ooh, same hole. First two shots. Okay, I'll make my adjustment now. There, we knocked the center of that target out. First 5-shot group. Feeling the heat. Pressure is on. Here we go. Group number 1. Oh my God. Hope that was just a flyer. So far, the factory barrel's in the lead. Group number 2. And we got one stuck in the chamber. Not looking good. Gonna mess up my groups. I think that was 3. 28, yeah, 2 more shots. Break in my position like this too is not good for shooting groups. See if we can hang it back in there with the rest of them. Last shot. One hole with a whole bunch of positional breaks in there and one stuck in the chamber, which is a negative. So far, I think the stock CZ is beating it. But we have 10 more shots to determine that. Group number 3, here we go. And I'm concentrating so hard. I wasn't even counting. That's 5 shots. Yeah. That looks like a 0.2. Pretty good. That one beat out the CZ barrel for sure, for group number 3. Last group. Oh, don't blow it, man. You got this. Last shot. All right. Now we've seen all the groups. Looking through the scope, IBI still takes the win from what I could see from here. Well, that was pretty stressful shooting, I must say. It turned out pretty good. Let's see what the targets look like. So comparing the two targets, 0.75 MOA, 0.87. That group kind of sucked. Don't know what happened there. But even the foulers, you can tell, like the IBI compared to the factory barrel. Group number 2, so 0.294, 0.201, a little bit tighter. Still, that's very, very good. Half an MOA, awesome. I'm happy with an MOA, but anything better is better, right? So 0.82, 0.43, IBI still tighter. And then we have the 0.43 and a 0.247. So our average overall for the factory barrel was 0.39 inch groups. That's for 5-shot groups. And that's 0.74 MOA. So 3/4 MOA with Center X, pretty acceptable. Our average with the IBI, 0.282 inches. So that's really good. 1/4 inch groups, basically, with a 0.54 MOA. So half an MOA with 4 or 5-shot groups. Can't go wrong with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this kind of video. I'm thinking of doing more of these, but it takes a lot longer to shoot and edit. So I'm going to try to have one out every week if I can. But if I can't, you have to stick with me, bear with me. Doing the best I can here. Let's get that chronograph data up now. Have a look at it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. It really helps us out at the channel and lets YouTube know that you guys want to see my videos, and it helps me grow, which helps me get more videos done. So, thanks for watching, guys. Right to the end, and we'll see you next time. Take care.